Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix ntoskrnl.exe high memory usage in Windows 11. So guys, to resolve this issue, just follow some easy steps. Firstly, open my this website link. So open my this website and you will find this post in my website. You can search by typing here. Now just copy this data. Now click on search and type notepad. Open notepad. Now paste that data here. Now click on file and click on save as. Now give any name like fix file .reg. Make sure you type properly .reg and save on desktop so you can access easily. Now view your desktop icons. So show desktop icons. So here we will see this registry editor. Double click on it. It will ask permission, so click on yes. Now it will ask again permission. Are you sure you want to continue? Click on yes. So you will see have been successfully added to the registry editor. The keys and value. Click on OK. Now guys, restart your PC or laptop. So hopefully guys, after restart you can fix and you can resolve. You can fix and you can resolve ntoskrnl.exe high memory usage problem in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.